Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling airplane mode to disable cellular radios. This prevents roaming charges and interruptions. Next, while still in airplane mode, turn Wi-Fi back on so your device only uses local networks. Make sure Bluetooth stays as you need it and verify the plane icon appears. Once done, scan for available networks and prepare any login credentials or app updates you'll need. This isolates aircraft radios while allowing controlled internet access via the aircraft or saved networks. You now pick the aircraft's SSID or a previously saved hotspot and tap Connect. The device will try to open a captive portal. If a login page doesn't appear, open a browser and navigate to a non-HTTPS page to trigger it. Follow prompts. Accept terms, enter seat number or purchase an internet plan, and input voucher codes if you have them. Once connected, confirm signal strength and test a lightweight page to ensure the session is active before using bandwidth. You should conserve bandwidth. Disable auto updates, avoid high bitrate video, and use offline maps or read cached content. If the captive portal won't load, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, forget the network, then reconnect. That forces a fresh session. When things still fail, restart your device to clear stale network states. If the connection remains unavailable, ask cabin crew if the service is active or if a server outage exists. Make sure to re-enable cellular after landing to resume normal service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.